Welcome to ClickFix tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of epic adventure with Black Myth Wukong, a game that has attracted gamers worldwide with its stunning visuals and thrilling gameplay. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to download and install it on your PC or laptop, so that you can start on your journey as the legendary Monkey King without a hitch. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Type Epic Games into the search bar. Click on the first link, which will take you to the Epic Games website. Look for the download button on the top right of the screen and click it. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder, find the Epic Games installer file, and open it. Follow the installation prompts to set up the Epic Games launcher. The process is straightforward. If you don't have an Epic Games account, you'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Simply enter your email address, pick a username, and follow the registration. Once inside the Epic Games launcher, use the search bar located at the top and type Black Myth Wukong. Click on the game from the search results to be taken to its store page. On the store page, click Buy Now to purchase the game. After completing the transaction, the game will begin downloading and installing onto your PC. And there you have it. Now you're ready to explore the vast world of Black Myth Wukong. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what other games you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.